morning. My name's Tim Johnson. For those of you that don't know me, I'm just one of the volunteers that kind of helps to organize this.
So this is the annual Wolfpit Workday, where we get folks from the community to come out and do trail maintenance on the Wolfpit Trail, which is in the southern end of the Linville Gorge. This is the 6th year that we've done this. Typically we have anywhere from 40 to 50 people participate, and volunteers team up with the Forest Service to clean out rolling grade dips and build check dams and trim the trail out.
So the Wolfpit Trail is one of the most popular entry points into the Linville Gorge Wilderness area, which is a congressionally designated wilderness area. It's a beautiful spot. You can get up to Shortoff on the Wolfpit Trail pretty quick, get a beautiful view down to Lake James and a great view up Linville Gorge.
So since this trail is very accessible, very close to great views off of Shortoff, it gets an amazing number of visitors. So there's a lot of visitor and user impact on this trail, and so it's important for us to come out here and try to help minimize some of the natural impacts like water, so that more folks can use it and enjoy the experience.
So this event is sponsored by the Mountain Sea Trail, but we've got folks from tons of different groups here, including Wild South, the Northwest North Carolina Mountain Bike Alliance, the Foothills Conservancy, and just a bunch of people who love the area. Linville Gorge is one of the areas that people just love. It's a beautiful place. It really brings people together. And so this is really an opportunity for us from the Forest Service perspective to show our appreciation for the volunteers, for the community to get together, to come out and work, have fun, talk with each other, and just have a good time every year.